Hi, my name is Dinesh Rai. I'm working as PGT Physics in Shivom Vidyapit at Sakra branch, and today I have chosen the topic how we can make our kids to watch news. Let me start with this discussion with the question that have we ever wondered why today's student or kids are more interested in watching IPLs, football leagues and cartoon networks even nobody have told them to watch it. They are more interested in playing the games, but at the same time when we will move to the person who have crossed certain age limit, let's say 35 years, 40 years, they are more keen to know about the election result. They are more responsible towards the we can say nation, that what's going on in this present government or what was going on before that government. Actually, I want to say they are aware, that's why they are watching it. So this is not only the kids problem or students problem, this is the basic human psychology that we do research after knowing the definition what it is. And that is true. Even if we know the definition, then we can move forward, na? Ki how and when. But we don't really know the definition, how we can move forward, how we can create the interest, how we can make the interest among those. So whatever I'm saying, I mean to say is that in today's generation there is lack of awareness of basic duties towards the nation. They are being taught that what is democracy, but they don't know the real meaning of it. They have been demonstrating with this idea that what is government, what is Rajya Sabha, what is Panchayat, but they are not being compared with the present situation. This should be the part of discussion while teaching these things. Now you can tell me how the government is changing, how the Supreme Court is changing, how High Court is working. These are the basic things one should know. And being a teacher, this is not the only responsibility of the subject teacher, this is the responsibility of all the teachers to discuss about it, to discuss about the politics, to discuss about the general duties of the students. They should be aware that they are the highest form of power to any nation. So I will say that discussion and sense of realization will really help for the students to watch the news. And again, I will definitely say there should be the live debate, there should be the spontaneous speech should be going on in any organization, so that student could prepare about it. Each and every student could prepare about it, and they can understand what actually going on. So I think discussion and realization can play important role. And being a parent, uh, one parent should, whenever he or she is watching the news, they should entertain their kids about their opinion. They should ask, they should introduce what's going on, and they should also bring them in discussion that what according to you the present situation is. So I think discussion and awareness can play important role for this society. Thank you so much.